Welcome back, Donnie D here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I got another video for you. This is a job I did back in the fall of 2024. Never got to this footage. This bathroom floor was a 12 by 12 porcelain tile, which I don't get many of these days, but I do get them sometimes. So I'll be going over how I'm doing this job. So anytime you have like a calibrated tile, which means a rounded edge and not, something that's not rectified, they're made in a form, so they're never in a mold, you could say. They're never exactly the same size. Now you can use spacers on them, but the problem is with that, if you snap a line, you start coming down the line, since the tile is slightly out of size, it'll go off the line. You'll never keep it perfectly straight. So from my experience in many old school tile setters, we would grid out the floor, meaning we'd make boxes in a certain size, and we'll basically just follow those lines, and the grout joints basically will float every so often, but we're going to stay on the lines, making sure that we stay straight and square. So that's how I did this floor. I pretty much pre-cut most of the floor, dry fit it all in, and then I spread them in mortar and set it. This floor wasn't perfectly flat, so I had to make my adjustments where necessary, but it came out really nice. So stay tuned. I'm going to go through the whole install here. I'm going to basically set all the tile and show you what it looks like when it's said and done. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. So here's what it looks like all said and done. Porcelain 12-inch by 12-inch tile set in a grid pattern, and basically using no spacers, using the box method, you could say. I don't know the technical term it is, but you use chalk lines and you make boxes with chalk lines and measurements, and you follow all that, and everything stays nice and straight and square. And then you adjust your joints as you go, and making sure you're staying straight and square as you go. And you could pre-cut pretty much any size floor doing it with this method. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Any questions, comments, concerns, whatever, put them in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.